So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use DaVinci AI Image Generator. So to do this is pretty simple. Search DaVinci AI and then all you have to do is go to its website. So it's gonna be the first link that you'll be seeing. So here there's a yearly and monthly plan for DaVinci. So there's faster processing and 50 credits a day and unlimited access with the pro version. So here we have 3 credits left with the free one. So let's just continue. So here we want to do, all we have to do is choose our styling. So let's just say we want a magical portrait, psychedelic entities, acrylic painting, creepy tattoo, cyberpunk, futuristic. Let's just go with futuristic right here. So let's type a detailed description of our artwork. So here we can use Midjourney and we can also do a ratio. So there's gonna be only 1 by 1 available for us. So let's say capybara on a surfboard. Let's see, surfboard going down Mount Everest. So let's generate this and let's see if it has good exceptional work for us. So here in DaVinci AI it's pretty simple. You can do creepy, mid-journey, portrait, and a lot. So as you can see here, these are some of the examples that it generates when you make it. So there you go guys, that is how you use DaVinci AI app, and there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.